All right, so here we are. I'm getting ready to break up the building. Actually, I'm not going to, but
I'm not going.
Why not?
I'm afraid of everything.
Well, let's, these two people who have never actually worked in that building, let's eulogize the old building. Old building. It's like, it's like we never knew you. Jen, did you work over there for a little bit?
I started.
See, right here, he can eulogize the old building. Michelle was having a hard time. She was crying about it a little bit.
March of 1995 is when I first walked in that building. And then April of 95 is when I started working that building every day. That building looked like it needed to come down then. I mean, it certainly, there's a lot of history that went through there. And that's when that place was prettier. And I think the class of fine, like literally broadcast Hall of Fame talent that went through that building, they left great memories, but they wrecked it. I mean, they were so fantastic that they literally sucked all the life out of that building.